Unlocking the Power of Kinesthetic Learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and essential topic that can transform your learning journey: kinesthetic learning. If you've ever felt like traditional learning methods don't quite work for you, or if you're curious about how different people learn, this video is for you. So, let's explore the world of kinesthetic learning together and unlock its powerful benefits. Kinesthetic learning is a learning style in which individuals learn best through physical activities rather than sitting through lectures or watching demonstrations. Kinesthetic learners excel when they can move, touch, and do. They thrive on experiencing and practicing what they're learning physically. This could mean building models, conducting experiments, or using gestures to remember vocabulary. It's all about engaging the body to enhance learning. Kinesthetic learners share common characteristics that set them apart. They often prefer hands-on activities, struggle to sit still for long periods, excel in physical activities like sports or dance, remember things better by doing rather than by reading or listening, enjoy building or creating things. Understanding these traits can help identify kinesthetic learners and tailor their learning experiences to be more effective and enjoyable. To harness the power of kinesthetic learning, here are some strategies that can be applied. 1. Incorporate movement into study sessions. Take frequent breaks to move around, or try studying while standing or walking. 2. Use physical objects. Utilize flashcards, models, or puzzles to make abstract concepts tangible. 3. Role play or simulate scenarios. This is particularly effective for language learning or understanding historical events. 4. Create. Engage in activities that involve making things related to the topic of study. 5. Teach back. Explain the material to someone else using gestures and physical expressions. Implementing these strategies can make learning more effective and enjoyable for kinesthetic learners. We hope this video sheds light on kinesthetic learning and inspires you to incorporate some of its strategies into your learning or teaching. Remember, understanding your learning style or the styles of those you teach can make a significant difference in educational success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video.